Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chance Gonnam here, and welcome. If you guys are watching the recording, we are about to do some news release trading. We are about to do some live trading. So this is a call I do for my team every single morning. If you want to learn how to become a part of it, make sure you head over either to the information below or to Facebook. Message me there. We can talk, and I can get you on these live calls, and I can also get you, get you making money in Forex with us. So with that being said, time to share my screen. It's time to get right to it. Welcome, everybody. I see everyone hopping on. Thank you guys for hopping on. Everyone recorded, people watching, everyone watching. Let me make sure. All right, sharing your. Okay, everyone should see my screen. If not, message me on Facebook in the group chat, but you should see my screen. We are going to be trading this USD news. Looks like there's a ton stacked up. 2 red folders and all this stuff stacked up. I'm going to trade Euro USD because it's one of my pairs. So actually, let me check USD CAD because there is Canadian news as well. Let me see how the setup's looking. Yeah, we're going to trade Euro USD just to keep it simple because last time we traded the double pairs, it kind of didn't do a lot. So my personal bias here is that it's probably going to be a buy. This is just walking into Euro USD on 100% technicals. Make sure if this is your first time here, be demo trading. This is a news release. This is some high volatility trading. Nothing's guaranteed, so make sure you're trading on demo, you're practicing, or you understand the risk you are taking with this style of trading. This is not how we trade full time. This is just how we trade when the news releases happen for a little extra fun, a little extra money. So I'm going to mark a couple spots that we could put our stop loss because this is going to be a last second release. Everyone who's been on before, you guys know I'm like an auctioneer up here. It's just go, 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 buy, buy, sell, sell, sell. It's going to be quick, quick, quick. So I think this is it. So 24.26 or 24.50. It's pretty much in the middle. So we got to just wait for this push. So make sure you have Euro USD pulled up on your phone. Make sure you're on the right trade. Make sure everything else is good. Get your lot size set. That's important. Make sure your lot size is set right now. I did a trading yesterday and was doing $10 lots. So good thing I checked what lot size I was using. So again, what we're waiting for is that fake out candle. The candle will be in 2 minutes. So about 2 minutes, we're going to wait and see. This is going to push one way or the other. Then we're going to enter that trade, and then we are going to see what happens. So again, this is not how we trade on a regular basis. This is just how we trade news releases. Normally, our style is a lot different. So everyone else, we are going to go through the pairs and everything. It'll be really interesting to see the pairs because after this news release, it's going to affect them in some form or way. UJ real quick, just to get a cross-analytic pair. Yeah, it's doing the same thing. If we want to catch more pips, we could probably trade UJ. Yeah, trade UJ. Let's try USD. Sorry. Let's trade UJ. Just because this is probably going to move more, and it's going to give us more pips. And that's what it's about. It's about getting the most pips. So we're going to trade UJ. So this is what my bias would be a sell. Stop loss for this is going to be up here. So you're looking at an 8 pip stop loss. So let's go up a little bit. We're going to change it to probably 43. And if we do call the buy, it's going to be down here. So we're going to just kind of wait for this fake out. This is the candlestick, so make sure you have UJ pulled up. Trade your lot size set, and I'll call it the stop loss as this settles in and we see what's going to happen. So we're waiting for this to get down to like 30 seconds, and we're waiting for that fake out in one direction or another. It appears to be pushing up, but we're going to give it a few more seconds to guarantee that it's going to push up. So I want it more like right here. Or if it pushes down, all good too. So this is what I'm thinking. There we go. That's that push up we're looking for. So put the stop loss at 43. So 109.43 and sell it. So it did make that last second fake out. So this could push up. Just depends there on which way we're looking. So it did do the first fake up, then fake down. Boom. All right. It's going down. There we go. So I always put my stop profit in. So we can put it at 109.30. So now we have a stop profit in, and we can just let this thing ride out, see what it's going to do. So I got my stop profit right here, 109.30 right here, flat. And let's see if this thing keeps pushing down. We are in the profits. Currently, we're up 20 pips. Let's see. This can be initial start to a strong push down. It's up to you guys on how you want to trade this. I'm going to close out some profits. So close out partials. I'm just going to close out half my trade, let the other half ride with a stop profit. And that's the news release, guys. That's the start down of this push down. Here, you come over here to Euro USD. Same thing, shot up like we were saying. So that's the call on news. That's about as perfect as it gets. Let's see if we made the right decision. This went, yep, this only went like 16 pips, and UJ went a lot more than that. It went 27. So all good. News release does this pushback, so we're gonna see how it goes and see what it does. But let's go over the Euro JPY. So here's something that was unaffected by the news. So we'll mark that up and see what looks good on this before we get off here. So this yellow line is a daily support and resistance line. So this is, let me just, yeah, I'm going to clear this. I'll clear this to make it easy to see. So boom, right there. That's the spot. One touch, two touch, three touch. So what I'm looking for in this is either one of two things. And it's Friday, so like this ain't gonna matter till next week. Either this or this. So I wouldn't place no trades here. UJ's pushing back up. I mean, essentially we're good to go. That's all we were trading was really that news release. That's why you take out your profits right away. And I mean, I think it came back and would have hit my stop profit. All good. But that's why you get out right here on that initial push down, because we're just trading this one candlestick pretty much. So if you got your entry here, so on this trade, you roughly got anywhere from 20 pips to probably like 15 pips profit in a couple minutes or a couple seconds. So that's really it for today, guys. Not a lot going on. It is the it's the Friday. New York session is just getting rolling. We traded the news, did good, made some money. So hopefully everyone on here either made some live or demo money. Just quick profits. That's what it's all about when you're trading news. In, out, in, out, in, out. Again, that's not how we trade. That's not our real trading style. That's not how we trade long term. But for some news releases, it's fun. I enjoy it. And I always love catching those right moves. And when that candlestick pushes off, it feels great. So everyone, thank you guys all for hopping on live. Like I said, please subscribe to the channel. Trying to get that subscriber count up there. And I'm going to keep as much content as possible. I'm about to do some cryptocurrency markups. Make sure you check back to the channel for that. And with that being said, week of Forex side, if you know how to reach me on Facebook, just reach out. I'm here to help every single one of you guys. I thank every single one of you guys for logging in, giving me your time. This, we appreciate it, and I don't want to take it for granted. So I want to let you guys have a great rest of your day. Real